Like I'm here for the camera. We here for the camera. You can see the back. What's up, Rockstar Angels? It's your girl Zane Simone. Welcome back to my channel. If you're returning, you already know you're a real one. If you're new, hey, what's up? Make sure you come join the Rockstar Angels by clicking that subscribe button. Turn on the post notifications so you guys are notified every single time your girl upload a new video. Wow, you guys, so I feel like it's been like a while since I sat down and spoke to you guys. So as you can see from the title, I'll be unboxing the iPhone 13 Pro Max with you guys. I'm so excited. Literally, I've been waiting and holding out to open my phone, just to open it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into it and see this phone and see what it's hitting for. I'm so excited. Okay, so I ordered it online. As you know, the iPhone 13 Pro Max is very much sold out, so it's kind of hard to get it in stores. I got lucky. Right now it is October 9th, so when I was ordering the phone, it said it wasn't coming until the end of the month to mid-November. So I got really lucky. My phone came early and I'm super excited. Now I'm gonna be trading in my old phone, which is the iPhone XS. So we're gonna be comparing the XS to the 13 Pro Max today. I traded in my phone because I wanted a new phone with a better camera, honestly, and I had that phone for 3 years already, so I just felt like, okay, it's time for me to upgrade. So once I take it out the box, we have the phone. Dun, da, da, dun. So this is how the phone comes in this box. You see, I got it in the color blue. Now this is very different from how the other phones were packaged. Like, it just seems like straight to the point. It's just a phone. It's a smaller box, comes in black, and then inside the box we have the adapter. So the phone comes with an adapter, which is amazing, because I'm trying to focus this for y'all so you can see. We have that adapter. Okay, and that's all that's in the box, so we're gonna put that to the side. Okay, so let's get to the phone. So let's see, there's like a little green thing here. I don't know what that was for, so let's see. Wow, this phone is so cute. Oops. This phone is so cute. So this is like my 5th charger now. I have another charger. As you can see, it comes with the new charger. And as you know, iPhones no longer come with the USB that you can like plug in, so now you have to have a specific USB for Apple. So yeah, this is how the charger is coming in these days. So you got to make sure you walk around with this specific charger. And so let's see, I'm gonna take this off. Alright, so this is the iPhone XS and this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If I put it together like that, you can kind of see the size. It's kind of like, oops. This is compared to the iPhone XS. You can see the size. It's actually like not like as big as I thought it would be, which is pretty cool. Like, the size is not too big. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, and let's just open up the charger. Hopefully the phone is charged, but I'm gonna open the charger just to see what's inside. This is really good because I actually needed a wall piece, so So this is the charger. Okay, and the phone is turning on. English. So I'm about to set it up. I could tell this is good. This is such an upgrade already. Like, I already see. So I'm setting up my face recognition. The phone is kind of charged. Do you guys know that feeling of like getting a new phone and your old phone automatically feeling like old? So as you can see, the phone has 3 cameras. I'm super excited, y'all, to take my new pictures. Like, I'm here for the camera. We here for the camera. You can see the back, side, bottom. It doesn't feel heavy. Like, it feels bigger. Like, it definitely feels like a bigger phone. It's not that it feels like a light. It's light, but it's like big. Alright, you guys, so thank you for unboxing and watching this video with me. Any questions, leave it down below. What's your opinion on the iPhone 15 Pro Max? Are you getting it? If you're getting it, let me know. Which phone do you have now? Do you plan to upgrade? Are you an iPhone user? Are you an Android user? Let me know your thoughts and comments down below, you guys. Make sure you subscribe. Don't forget to like and comment. Don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you guys know when your girl upload a new video. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.